I'm here with Craig Dunkerley, co-founder and CEO of BG Wealth Group, and my name is Rory Bloomfield, Director of Property and Business Growth with BG Wealth Group. Thank you once again, Craig, for joining me this morning.
Yes, always a pleasure, Rory.
So, Craig, once again, me and you continue to chat quite a bit about the stock market. What's going on a daily and weekly basis. Things are changing quite a bit, and another big topic is with regards to recovery. When do we think the market's going to recover? How is it going to recover? And there's a number of patterns historically in which the market has recovered. The Globe and Mail recently put out an article where it cited a number of those patterns and talked about which one we may follow in the future here, V, U, W, and L, which each have a different meaning. And maybe you can go into a little bit of detail on that as well. But what are your thoughts on based on that article, what type of recovery might we see in the near future here?
Yeah, well, there's a lot of different thoughts on this. And again, as we chat, there's many opinions on both sides. There's a number of people who were expecting a V recovery, which is basically a sharp down and sharp back up. Others talking about a U recovery that is similar, but you go down and then it takes a little bit of time to go up. And then there's the W recovery where it goes down, comes up a little bit, goes down, comes up a little bit, and what have you. And I think the W is what we're actually seeing right now. We did see the market come down from about 30,000. And again, I talked the Dow, but the others are doing very similar. Came down from about 30,000 to 18,000 and then went up to around 24 and then pulled back and then ran up to around 24 again. So I believe we're already seeing the W. As the W continues to stretch out, if that's what it does, then it will start to look more like an L as it starts to flatten out. And the concern with the L is that, if we've got a W recovery, then we're probably in a recession. And it's understood that we are already in a recession, and how long that goes. In a W, it's basically a continued recession. If we actually flatten out to the L, that's more reminiscent of a depression, which is a large concern. And again, there's many thoughts on this, but I believe we're already into the W, and I believe that it will actually stretch out for some time. The recovery is going to take some time. I know plants are trying to open up and what have you, but there's a lot of people who will still be at home, a lot of people still not getting out, and the economy will very likely suffer for some time.
Right. Yeah, certainly it'll be interesting to see which one of those patterns we follow going forward here. So thanks again for sharing your perspective, Craig, on the market and what we may see in the near future here. And look forward to these continued discussions.
Great. Thanks, Roy.
Thanks,
Take
Craig.
care.